My name's Dr. Rosanna Tremewen, and I'm a clinical psychologist here at the Translational Research Institute. We are trying to be able to look at somebody's brain and be able to say, yes, this person has PTSD, which there is no other imaging technique or any other medical technique out there for any type of mental health issue. So what we are finding or trying to find is biological correlates to a mental health disorder, which is groundbreaking and very special. I can safely say that there hasn't been any research like this. And I think the unique thing about working at the Translational Research Institute is our proximity to this state-of-the-art equipment, which is really exciting. Working at the Translational Research Institute has been really valuable for me in collaborating with other agencies. This is one of the most beautiful buildings that I have ever worked in.
I'm David Crompton. I'm a clinical researcher here with the TRI. I think one of the advantages of TRI is it's the ability to bring people together. It's the coming together of various specialties, of various groups of people with different exciting ideas. You're not isolated away on some university campus. What you are is sitting beside clinicians. You meet with clinicians over lunch. You meet with them over a cup of coffee. So I think that collaboration of being able to be near clinicians who are working with patients on a day-to-day basis at the Princess Alexandra Hospital, the TRI being beside them, being able to meet up with them is so important.
I'm Carolyn Mountford. I'm the CEO and Director of Research at the Translational Research Institute. What we're able to do is put a patient in a clinical scanner and we're able to look at the chemistry in their brain. So this actually not only provides us with a means of diagnosing the condition, but also monitoring that individual's response to therapy. Our presence on the PAH campus is actually integral to our success. One of the great advantages that TRI has is immediate access to surgery, to pathology, to radiology, to oncology, to endocrinology. The clinicians are there. They all get on well together. They get on well with the scientists. It is seamless. There is an interface between the hospital and the TRI that I think is probably unique in the country.